everyone, welcome back. If you are struggling with itchy scalp, stubborn dandruff, slow hair growth, or consistent hair breaking, then this video is exactly what you need. Today I'm going to show you a powerful 3-ingredient natural hair spray that cleans your scalp, boosts hair growth, and strengthens your hair from the roots. And the best part, everything we are using is natural, affordable, and easy to find. Before we go into it, if you love natural hair care and want to grow your hair the healthy way, go ahead and hit the subscribe button now and turn on your notification bell so you never miss my videos. Let's get started. Now, before we jump into the recipe, let's quickly understand something important. Most people focus only on their hair strand, but the real problem starts from the scalp. If your scalp is dry, infected, or clogged, your hair will struggle to grow no matter what you apply. That's why this spray is not just for growth, it's a scalp treatment first. Because once your scalp becomes healthy, your hair will naturally grow faster, become thicker, and stop breaking. Now let's talk about our powerful 3 ingredients. Our first ingredient is ginger. Ginger is not just for cooking. It contains something called ginger root, which helps increase blood circulation to your scalp, fight bacteria and dandruff, reduce itching. So when you apply ginger to your scalp, it basically wakes up your hair follicles. Our second ingredient is cinnamon stick. Cinnamon is a natural stimulant. It helps improve blood flow, strengthen weak hair roots, fight fungal infections. This is very important if you have dandruff or flaky scalp. And our last ingredient is rosemary. Rosemary is one of the most powerful herbs for hair growth. It is rich in iron, calcium, and antioxidants. It helps stimulate hair follicles, it reduces hair loss, and thicken your hair over time. So when you combine those 3 ingredients, you get a complete scalp treatment plus growth booster. If you are learning something new already, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Now let's prepare everything step by step. First, take your ginger, make sure you wash it properly because it usually carries dirt. You can peel it if you want, but honestly it's optional. Now cut or grate the ginger into small pieces. The smaller the pieces, the better the extraction. Now take your cinnamon stick, grease it lightly just to remove dust. Then your rosemary. If you are using dry rosemary, that is perfectly fine. If it's fresh, even better. Now bring a clean pot, add your grated ginger, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 tablespoon of rosemary. Then pour about 1.5 cup of water. Now place it on a medium-low heat. Let it boil gently. As it boils, you will notice the water changing color. That is the nutrient being released into the water. Let it boil for 10 to 15 minutes. While this is boiling, let me explain something. It helps to extract nutrients faster, break down plant compounds, and release active ingredients. That is why we boil instead of just soaking. If you are still watching, comment natural growth in the comment section so I know you are serious about your hair journey. After boiling, turn off the heat. Now cover the pot and let it sit. This step is very important because even after boiling, the ingredients continue to release nutrients as it cools. Let it sit for about 20 to 30 minutes. Now that it has cooled down, take a clean cloth, sieve or filter. Slowly pour the mixture through it. Make sure you remove all the particles. What you are left with is your powerful hair growth liquid. Pour the liquid into a clean spray bottle. Always use a clean container to avoid contamination. Store it in the refrigerator. This will keep it fresh for about 6 to 7 days. After that, discard and make a fresh batch. Now let's talk about how to apply. Spray it directly on your scalp. Don't just spray and leave it. Use your fingers to gently massage it in a circular motion. This helps improve blood flow and ensure proper absorption. You can leave it in your hair or wash it off after 45 minutes. Use it 2 to 3 times a week. With this mixture, you will start to notice reduced itching, less dandruff, softer scalp, and stronger hair roots. And with consistent use, you begin to see visible hair growth and thickness. Before using this spray, always do a patch test first. Apply a little on your skin and wait. If there is no irritation, you are good to go. And that is it for today's video. Simple, natural, and very effective. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe because I have more natural recipes coming for you. See you in my next video. Stay natural, stay beautiful. Thanks for watching.